In question 4, the parametric equation of the curve are given and we have to express dy by dx in terms of t. Now in the first step, we'll find dx by dt. So that will be is equals to 2t, and dy by dt that will be is equals to, so derivative of 4t will become 4 plus derivative of ln of 2t minus 1 will become, so 2t minus 1 will come in the denominator and the derivative will come in the numerator. Now to find dy by dx, we will divide dy by dt by dx by dt. So this will be 4 plus 2 upon 2t minus 1 and divided by 2t. Taking the LCM, we'll get, so 4 times 2t, that is 80 minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2t minus 1, and we can write it as multiplied by 1 upon 2t. So simplifying, we'll get 8t minus 2 divided by 2t minus 1 multiplied by 2t. So this will be the dy by dx. And we can just leave it like this, or multiply in the denominator. It doesn't matter. We'll still get the full marks. Now, once we have the dy by dx, in part 2, it says find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point where t is equals to 1. Now, at the point where t is equals to 1, so we already have dy by dx, which gives us the gradient of the tangent. Now, dy by dx is 8t minus 2 divided by, so this is 2t minus 1 into 2t. So substituting t is equals to 1, we'll get 8 minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 into 2 into 1. So this will become 6 upon 1 times 2. So the gradient will become 3. Now dy dx gives us the gradient of the tangent. So the gradient of the normal will be is equals to minus 1 upon 3. And to find the equation, we also need the x and y coordinates. So in this equation, x is equals to t square plus 1. We will write t is equals to 1. So x will be is equals to 2. And y is equals to 40 plus ln of 2t minus 1. So 40 plus ln of 2t minus 1. So 2 minus 1, ln of 1 is 0. So y will be is equals to 4. And now we can write a final equation as y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, which is 2. Now we can simplify it and write it as 3y minus 12 is equals to minus x plus 2. And then as we have to give our equation in the form ax plus by plus c, so we'll bring everything on the left hand side and we'll get 3y plus x minus 12 minus 2 is equals to 0. So the final equation will be x plus 3y minus 14 is equals to 0.